Any response, Tim?
You bring that energy, man. I want that energy coming into the fight because when I do, and mark my words, I will knock you out in under 12 rounds.
You can try, my man, you can try, but you're gonna get more than energy. You're gonna get these hands, baby!
Well, we got bad news, or at least bad news for some, good news for others. It appears that Keith, one-time Thurman, or should I say none-time, because he won't be in this one, will be stepping down from fighting the hard-hitting man from down under, Tszyu. According to reports, ESPN and others, Keith Thurman suffered an injury in training camp and will not be taking part in their March 30th fight, which is unfortunately only a little less than 2 weeks away. But here's the positive side of it. Fortunately for us, there was also a 154-pound fight that was already set up, and they might have had it set up just in case Keith got hurt, but nah, seriously, it was set up for the WBC interim title. Matter of fact, that if Charlo been stripped all the way down, it might actually be for the real WBC title, and that's Sebastian the Towering Fundora versus Tszyu for the, well, like I said, for the WBC title, but that's going to get scratched. I don't know if they're going to replace Fundora for that, but Fundora will be taking on Tszyu now instead. Keith Thurman, once again, blown opportunity. I have to feel bad for the guy because this could have elevated his career back to where it was or where it should have been, but instead, one more time, we got an injury that's either keeping Keith Thurman from fighting or limiting Keith Thurman if he would have fought. And we don't even know what happened. It wouldn't surprise me if it was some type of arm injury or pulled muscle or something. But hopefully we'll get the news eventually. But I ain't gonna front, I'm disappointed. I wanted to see that fight. But we might wind up with a better fight. Because let's be honest, if Fundora wouldn't have been knocked out last year, we would have been salivating for this fight between Fundora and Tszyu. I know I was begging for it about a year and a half ago, so I can't be mad at that, but I am a little disappointed Keith Thurman won't be in the fight. And it's taken, because this card was loaded with title fights, so instead of having 4 title fights, we'll only have 3. Like I said, unless they find somebody to replace Fundora, which could happen. Hey, holler at your boy Erickson Lubin, because he wanted to be on the card anyway, so maybe we'll wind up still with 4 title fights, who knows. But that's pretty much it, man. One time is none time when it comes to fighting Tszyu. He was injured in a camp accident, and we don't know exactly what that means or how he was injured, but I guess we'll find out sooner or later. That's pretty much all I got. This Head Busting Boxes on Fight Doctor. Hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Do we have an actual better fight now with Fundora versus Tszyu instead of one time versus Tszyu? I think we might actually have a better fight. But that's pretty much it. That's my thoughts. Give me yours in the comment section. It's Head Busting Boxes on Fight Doctor. I am out.